Welcome to Dominican Republic. Thanks for joining me in this gorgeous piece of paradise, surrounded by crystal clear ocean waters and amazing vegetation. This 50-minute medium intensity Pilates workout will start on a deep end of the pool and will challenge your whole body, head to toes. You will later be invited to conclude this session with a quick 10-minute mat Pilates. Yes, some great moves can only be done on land. Today, let's invite a pool noodle for this deep water aqua fun. Are you ready? Cause I am, and I can't wait to share my ideas with you. Let's begin.
Well, you surely need to choose a great warm-up before you begin your Aqua Pilates. You can choose any of the following warm-ups: 5, 10, or 15 minutes. And then once you're comfortable with pool and air temperature, splash in and let's begin. Cross-country skiing floating is a fantastic exercise, and I consider this one Pilates exercise because it's gonna strengthen your core. You're gonna curl your knees, tuck those knees, and then kick them forward. Keep noodle in a vertical position and move your arms along with your kicks.
Here you guys can see in a little screen other option for your arms. You can go ahead and move your arms out with the circle.
Splitting legs out, close your arms, and then stretch your arms to the sides as you drop your legs down to that vertical position. Catch your breath, because we obviously have to switch side now. So you're gonna release your right foot, and now it's your left foot. Pumping noodle down, side, like, oh, this side is much harder for me. And release it.
Always wanted to be completed by another person. An understanding that
On your exhale, start slowly dragging your knees in toward the wall. You don't have to go all the way in. Just down to the hip level is enough. These are the final few reps. And we guys got it. We're gonna move on to the next one. But maybe, just because maybe, you wanna take a quick water break and watch me showing you what's next. That's what Aqua Pilates is about. And now we're gonna split out. So we have diamond, arms, legs open and split. Still great for abs, plus we are now challenging inner thighs and out thighs.
We're done with aqua part. Grab your towel or your exercise mat and meet me on your deck.